Hey flower friends, guess what? It's Friday and that means that I am here with your personal invitation. Y'all have got to come to the show today. First off, we're going all green. Can you see we're all decorated up for St. Patty's Day? And we have green flowers to show because Susie Q is going to be doing a flower arranging, bouquet making kind of demonstration, right? And friends, we are bringing back one of our all-time favorite products that we sold for over a decade that went unavailable, and we've got it back and it's coming out today, and it's perfect because it's green. I just can't even believe it. So join the show in just 7 minutes. It's going to start. Now you're invited to watch it here on social media, but let me tell you about our phone app. It's free and it totally takes your experience over the top. It is so much more interactive when you're actually in the app. You can watch the show live and interact with the other viewers in the comments. It's just a lot of fun. And so like your girlfriends could join up there and then y'all could talk back and forth to each other, right? Through the comments. And you can watch the replays when you have the app. Anyway, we always have a deal of the day. I give away usually a $25 store credit to one lucky live viewer. So you have to be here. And I'm going to be demonstrating soil blocking and a little bit of seed sowing. We have some beautiful eucalyptus transplants to show you. Just looking around, y'all, you just don't want to miss it. So it's cold and cloudy here in Virginia. And we're just happy to be inside and to put on the show for you guys. So to get the app, comment app here, APP, or just simply jump over to your phone's app store, search Gardener's Workshop, and download the shop app. So we have two apps when you go over there. They're both free, and you are invited to get both of them. In the shop app is where our live shopping show takes place, and our app-based garden shop is in there. You can shop in there anytime. And our other app that we have is called Learn, and that's where you'll find my private membership as well as any online courses that you own. And when you download that one, friends, there's a free online course inside there waiting for you. It's how to build a trellis tunnel. If you've ever seen that 50-foot tunnel that runs down the middle of one of my gardens, I showed you how to actually do that. It's super simple and so very, very much fun. So there's a free online course inside the Learn app. Welcome to get that one. But it's the live shopping show app that you need to jump on. Meet me at 12 o'clock Eastern time here on Fridays. And today's show is all about green flowers, some green products. We're just going to have so much fun, y'all. We're going to have so much fun. So get the app, jump in with me, 12 noon Eastern time. Remember, I have a giveaway, but you have to be in the app to be able to enter for the giveaway. I think that's all, y'all. So hope to see you in just 4 minutes inside the app. Ciao, friends.